Hey, welcome to E-Rice channel. My name is Oleg. I'm going to be your host today. We're going to do unboxing today of the newest Onebot S7F model. Foldable, compact, lightweight, should be. So let's unbox and see how the new bike upgraded looks. And also, before I'll do that, don't forget hit subscribe to my channel so you can see all the updated electric bicycle or scooters on my channel. Hit the bell button next to it, like it for algorithm and for me, and let's open up. And I will have extra discount actually for this bike as well in description. $170 off. So here's how it will look once you open it. Inside you're gonna find seat, like more sport seat with a long stem, packed very well inside. So I would need to remove actually first. Inside you're gonna find some user manual and charger. This needs to go as well. And now it's ready. There you go, pretty light. Let's remove the box, put it here. So here's how it will look once you pull out from the box. It does come with a charger, which is a 1.5 amp charger, user manual, and the box. Never throw away for 30 days or destroy it, because you might need it if you have any issue with the bike. Personally, I never have any issue with Onebot. Usually they're very great quality. Actually, the motor I can see already. Looks like it's a direct drive motor, pretty large, but it has 350 watt on it, so it probably produces 500 peak power. So now we're gonna check it out to see if any tools needed, basically, because I don't see any tools included, so most likely there's no tools needed. So first I'm gonna be actually removing the protection, which probably that's all you would need to do. Okay, and it's very nicely packed. So you just unfold it like this, remove this large cover, and close it. I'll use a kickstand. I'll lift the handlebar up like this, steam, close the latch on this side. Make sure you close protection on the left side over here as well. I'll show you close up. Then you grab this handlebar up and remove this protection as well from both sides. So next step, I'll just slow down the steam just a little bit. It's adjustable actually. Remove this knob. Oops. You have to be very careful because it will drop and then you're gonna lose this. So bring the handlebar up. The meter should be on the right side, on your right side. Then you would bring it up, close this with the same latch, and reattach this washer. And this knob you just removed, and that's it. You don't really need to have any tools at all. So you would just do with your hands. Okay, tighten up, reposition the handlebar you want. It's all adjustable, and close this latch. Okay, that's it. Next, you get this seat, insert it the position you want to, close this latch. If it's too loose, you just need to tighten on one side the knob and align it and close. And the bike is fully assembled now. And here's how it will look once you remove from the box. Basically, this is not really assembly, just need to reattach the handlebar, insert the seat, and the bike is assembled. Very easy, and everybody can do it probably. So that's how I will look on this bike. The handlebar can go higher or lower, depending on the personal preference. Okay, and same to the seat. the seat can go low as this one, because over here there is a protection, so you cannot drop even below, but you can always remove this and cut the tube so it will go low if you need to. And looks like they use the same frame from like 7 model as well, with a rear shock, but they did include front shock. So the fork comes with a small, about an inch travel, the shock, and it's pretty lightweight. I did not weigh it actually, but you might want to check on the website. It's probably somewhere under 40 pounds, and it comes with steel wheels, like it's made out of like carbon steel. Same thing, the rear one, with a 350 watt motor. The battery, it's hidden inside the frame, not removable. You can charge it on the bike only. You cannot really remove it. You can replace it if you need it, but that's about it. And it comes with a bell. And I think this is pretty comfortable position to ride it on the beach, school, or anywhere you want to go for short distance. So here's a motor close up. So it's 36 watt, 350 watt. So it's continuous power, and then peak power should be about 500. The wheels are 14 by 2.5 inches wide. Looks like city, but can go probably off-road. Pretty thick coverage, so it should be good. I don't think you're gonna get the puncture often because nice traction. And same on the front with reflector on the rims. It is steel, so it should be very durable as well, and it comes with a steel fork. Looks like aluminum frame and aluminum handlebar. It comes with 1 gears only, foldable pedals, easy to fold it with one hand, fold it and unfold it. I can do it. So 1 gears, nothing to shift. Also comes with a small fork with no adjustment, which has a travel about an inch travel only, so it will give you some comfort to ride smoother on the street as well. And it comes with 160 millimeter disc, mechanical, on the front and rear, the same disc brakes. And you might notice already the headlight is missing, so there's no headlight, no tail light, but it does come with reflector on the front, manual bell, and reflector on the seat post right here. And nice seat. It's more like sports seat, I would say. It's soft, but I don't know if it's gonna be comfortable. Some people will complain most likely. And straight handlebar. How easy to fold it. So I'm gonna show you how to fold it. So I will fold the pedals as well from both sides. Open this latch by pushing it, pull it. Easy, just like that. Probably the easiest way to fold this bike would be easy for anybody, and that's it. So it should fit basically any trunk, very compact and lightweight. To unfold it, you just pull up the handlebar, close the latch, open up, and I'll turn it to show you. You close this latch as well and unfold the pedals. Easy, and the bike is ready to ride. And we're gonna go for a ride now and see how the bicycle can go. All right, so let's see how fast the bike can go. Looks like the rain just started, but hopefully I will be able to finish the video today. So it's only come with 1 gears, 1 pedal assist level, and basically the meter on the right. So I'm gonna use the GPS to see what the speed it will go to. I'm not expecting a lot because the bike cost with my discount under $400. Also, it includes a free helmet, the one I'm wearing from Onebot. So I'm gonna just stop here and use the throttle only and see how fast I can go. So it's only 8 miles an hour. I don't think it has much power. I think the previous model was much more powerful than this one. Feel more torque. This one is very smooth acceleration. about 12 miles an hour, and now it's 13. So it's about 30 miles an hour, and yeah, it's not really 14 miles an hour now. So I don't feel like a lot of torque, but 40 miles an hour with my weight 215 pounds, that's all we're gonna get today. But I'm gonna turn around and pedal it. So it's 40 miles, very solid, and they claim to be able to go up to 16 miles an hour, which most likely for a lighter rider. And let's try to pedal it. Maybe I can get faster with pedaling. And pedaling, after 12 miles you will feel like ghost pedaling most likely. So going 40 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour, and looks like that's all I'm gonna get with this bike. 50 miles an hour with good pedaling before losing the balance, I guess. And I'm 5'11", so I'm pretty tall, but this bike can probably handle somebody who is 6, because I didn't lift the handlebar all the way up and my seats still have enough space. So let's see how good the braking. I'm gonna get and stop on the stop sign right here. 40 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour, and stop. So it stopped pretty good, about maybe 3 meters or less even. So it's mechanical brakes, but for this speed it's just perfect. So you get, with every bike you buy, you get free helmet, different colors. I think they have like orange, white, gray, whichever color they send you, that's the one you're gonna get. You don't get a choice. So if I turn off the power completely right now, let's see how easy to pedal it. So you can pedal it as any mini bike. Actually, you can get better spin of your feet, so I can lift it up if I want to, so my feet will be more straight out. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so it's just very nicely actually for mini bike. I can lift the handlebar high if I want to, but I probably will leave it as is. And I can tell that I can pedal 8 miles an hour, so it's probably great for taking to the beach or anywhere you want to, like school, work, grocery shop. So if you run out of power, let me turn on. So if you run out of power, you can always pedal it. But looks like when I start to pedal it, after a few minutes you're going too fast, so you're gonna feel like ghost pedaling. So the front chain ring is a little bit too small for the speed, because after 12 miles an hour you're gonna get ghost pedaling. I'm not sure how good is the torque going up to the hill. They claim it can climb some hills, but let me stop and see if I can hold the bike and using the throttle. I know, I don't think it will climb more than 15% grade without pedaling. So it's 350 watt motor, feels like it's same as mini bike, like the one I reviewed, like Bolt Pro, Jetson. So very similar torque. I would not say it's more than 350, so it's probably 350. That's a peak power most likely. And about the rear shock, actually it works pretty good. As you can see, it's pretty soft. It have about 1 inch travel. The fork, it's okay, I guess, for the street. Nothing like to go off-road, I would say. But the rear shock, nice and bouncy a little bit, so it does give you more smoother ride. Again, this bike ride pretty good. I think noise coming from the reflector a little bit, but that's about it. There's no headlight, and the bike weight about 20 kilo, so it's about 40 something pounds. You might want to check link in description again. and it's good for up to 265 pounds. So it's good for somebody up to 265, and I'm 215. It takes me off very good. Let's see if I go over small bumps over here. Okay, that's not bad. And right here, not bad at all. So again, this front shock give you a little bit help, but a little bit, I guess, to go over some bumps, but not like to go off-road. So I'm gonna stop here. I don't know what the grade it is. It's just basic, and use a throttle from the spot, and it's climbing very slow. So basically it cannot really climb the hill without pedal assist, and you can see the hill is not really steep at all. But let's ride on the grass, which I don't really like, because over here I always get flat. And yeah, it's nice. You can ride it over grass. It's bumpy over here, but actually the rear shock, it makes the ride very smooth. The fork is okay, I would say. I don't feel like a little bit maybe help, but mostly from the rear I can feel like there's no really movement as shock take all the bumps. So it's pretty good. So it's absorbed all these bumps I went through. So the rear shock really good on this bike for this type of mini bike. Again, it's not performance bike, it's just commuter to go from point A to point B within about 5 miles range, I would say. So perfect bike for taking actually to the beach, or anywhere in your trunk, taking on some trips. If you're planning to go ride on RV to go some national parks or anywhere, this is a great bike, because this one is very like kind of slow, under 15 miles, I would say. Also nice tires, dual suspension, which makes softer ride on the trails. So yes, I would say you can find a lot of use for this bike. No issue riding the bike 40 miles an hour. I know many of you will want to go faster, and you'll ask me if I can do that. Actually, I'm gonna try to use some hacking to see if the throttle trick will work on this bike, and if it does, I'm gonna post another video. That's why please subscribe, follow my channel, and like this video for algorithm. And if you want this bike, check link in description. I currently have $170 off on the price with free helmet. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.